Silverbolt, buddy, it is great to have you back.
Thank you for bringing him back to us.
The old gang is finally all together again. Well, mostly. Sorry, Big Pot.
No, Rhinox is gone. I accept that. We have to take our victories where we find them, and assure that no other spark shares his fate.
See? What were you worried about? It's just like old times.
For them, perhaps. Not for me.
We'll all need time to adjust, now that we have a moment to breathe.
You just had to go and jinx it, didn't you? What in the name of Gouda was that all about?
Maximals, topside, now!
What's up with the light show?
Megatron, no doubt.
You okay, Silverbolt?
I am undamaged.
What is that thing?
Hey, watch where you dig! What do you say we junk that flying scrap heap, kid?
You got it!
What? Are you sure you're ready to face him again?
More than ready. I hunger for it.
Silverbolt, Night Scream, aerial recon. Rat Trap, Cheetor, ground survey. Black Arachnia, your base comm and backup.
Oh yeah? And what are you gonna do, monkey?
Yeah! Who died and made you King Kong?
What?
Oh, sure, he's all guts and glory now. Where was this chimp when I was tracking down Noble?
If it was up to me, he'd have let that schizo dog rip your circuits out a long time ago.
Why don't you keep your long twitchy nose out of it?
Well, why should I keep my nose out of it when Lover Boy spent so much time trying to blow it off my face? Evidently, I didn't try hard enough.
Hey, guys, quit fighting. What are you trying to prove? That your logic circuits are all fried?
Enough! Remember what is important here. We must stay focused on our goal.
Oh, get over yourself.
For pity's sake.
Mr. High and Mighty talking down to us again.
We're not drones or something!
Yes, hasn't changed much, I see.
If you want to act like a bunch of surly farm animals, so be it. I'll deal with Megatron alone.
Did the little sheep get caught without their shepherd?
We have to stop them before they find our base.
Who died and made you Optimus?
What are you talking about?
Listen to my voice! I said shut your mouth and beat your feet!
Welcome, Optimus Primal.
Why did you bring me here?
For the same reason you wanted to come. It's time for us to settle things.
What are you doing to Cybertron?
Oh, that was merely an elaborate way to get your attention. An invitation, if you will. It seems, Optimus, that we are not so far apart as it once appeared. We both want the same thing.
Oh? And what's that?
Harmony.
Catch me if you can.
Thanks, Wings.
No problem. Next time, look out for yourself! I don't know why I did that.
You could have brought this whole tunnel down on our heads.
Who let us down here in the first place, right into an ambush?
So now it's my fault?
It's a miracle you survived as long as you did, squabbling the way you do. Well, it's a miracle we survived at all, with you and your buddy shooting at us all the time.
Back off, rat!
Why don't you both back off?
Oh, this is my fault. I never should have returned.
That's right, just run away from your problems.
Yeah, good riddance.
Watch it, he never would have left if it weren't for you.
Your version of harmony is nothing more than slavery. How can you have harmony without free will?
How can you have harmony amid the chaos of disagreeing minds?
True harmony only prevails when all voices are heard. You only want to stifle them.
Your way only leads to chaos. Or are these the voices of harmony?
I've got to stop them.
And how do you propose to do that? Can't you see that conflict comes from confusion, which in turn is spawned by divided, divisive minds? The only way to achieve true unity is through a singular mind. Are you so deluded by false visions that you can't even see my point of view?
We'll finish this later, Megatron.
Poor Optimus Primal. So eager to embrace their chaos. So eager to embrace your own doom.
Here's another fine mess you've gotten us into, Spots! Hey! Maybe if you low-res chipheads had any idea how to follow orders... Right back at ya! You got 7 more!
I ought to be blasting you instead of them!
This is seriously glitched. We've argued before, but nothing like this.
If you would have trusted Silverbolt, we wouldn't be outnumbered.
Fine, I'll trust him. Oh, wait, he flew the coop detonator.
Rat Trap, scout a retreat!
I'm through taking orders! Scout this!
Wait! Why are we fighting?
No! You want a piece of me? Yeah, I want a lot of pieces! Get a piece of me!
Save your ammo. They're gonna do the job for us.
Face it, lady, your boyfriend's a big shiny chicken.
Sweet, I ought to sell tickets.
Quit dancing around and fight, better breath! Come on, you slimy little...
Yep, that's him.
When I get my hands on you, there won't be enough left to barbecue!
Stop this! You're soldiers, teammates, friends!
Friends don't abandon each other.
She's right! I've had enough of you and your self-righteousness!
Yeah! Why don't you go on another vision quest and leave us alone?
Get up and fight like a Maximal!
Forget the seeds of the future. I'm burying you in the past!
This madness ends now!
Yeah, starting with you!
Stop! We've all been infected with the virus. Can't you feel it?
Why should we trust you, Jetstorm?
Because I know better than anybody that the hating and the hurting have got to end.
If Optimus trusts you, it's good enough for me.
Take it from an authority on the subject. I smell a rat. Hello? Yeah, these things are sending an activation signal right through the ground. To trigger a pre-planted virus, right? Hidden in me? Yep. And it was a nasty piece of business, too. Had an adrenaline booster, neocortex suppressor, and a shutoff on the self-diagnostic. And it's contagious!
Sounds like a new strain of that ancient hate plague virus. Or didn't you guys ever take history?
So how do we counteract it?
In 2 words, impossible.
And I've got 2 more words for you, Maximals. Goodbye.
That's it. We've got to work together to reform our neural pathways. That's the only way to destroy the virus and cure us.
Does it feel good to be a team again?
What's wrong?
Megatron used me to infect all of you. Still happy to have me back?
More than ever, old friend.
I can't believe how he turned us all against each other. Even me against you.
Perhaps, but he didn't create the conflicts. He only magnified them. The fundamental disharmony, we provided that ourselves. Could it be that Megatron is right after all?